everyone should be recognized.
So, Mr. Foung, you're up.
I want to be your next state senator, and as a senator, I will be accessible to everyone, all members in our community, and more. I have been an active member in the community, and have roles lead to clean up shoreline, to clean up the neighborhood, and I will continue to do that, even as a state senator. I will stand for the working poor, the working middle class, the seniors, and we'll hear from everyone about their concern. I know what it takes to make our diverse community progress, because diversity is our strength. And let me add on to the little thing about the immigrant. As a state senator, outside legislator, I will be hosting meeting 1 month at Hmong Village, 1 month at Jerusalem, 1 month at Ramallah. And that way, it allows all of us to exchange culturally. You don't have to treat me, and I don't have to treat you, but we bring us together.
What about us?
Yeah. And I'm a bridge builder that we critically need here in the East Side, especially through this tough economic time. I will bring the neighborhood closer, I will bring the community closer, and will bring us closer to the state. I've been through a lot in my lifetime, though I'm only 46 years young. I've been through war, grew up in rough neighborhood in this country, and avoid youth conflict. I paid my way through college, become a contributor to our society, and here I am in the east side of St. Paul, doing what I do regularly is lake cleanup, and do everything I can to keep our neighborhoods safe and vibrant. As your next state senator, I fear no obstacle. That the only conflict, or the only confrontation I will have, will only make me a better senator to represent you. Thank you very much.
I'll try and make it short. It's been a long night, and I want to thank all of you really.